Hello everyone. Now a lot of my viewers have said to me that my teaching has helped them enormously with their painting and drawing because I go right back to basics and I explain things right from grassroots level. Well, I'm not going to stop doing that because that's the way I love to teach. Now I've just put a video up on Skillshare. Here's the little trailer that I made about the class. Have a look at that and you'll see what it's all about. Hello, I'm Kerr. I'm a professional artist and a teacher, so welcome to my art studio. I use many different drawing and painting materials in my work, including oils, soft pastels and watercolour. But one of my real favourites has got to be graphite pencil. This is the drawing that we will be doing using both graphite pencil and graphite powder. In this class, you'll learn the difference between charcoal pencils and graphite pencils and why you may choose one over the other. I'll tell you about the most appropriate papers to use for your graphite drawing. I'll show you how to blend the graphite using the paper blending stumps. And you'll learn how to add the graphite powder to your paper. I'll show you how to blend the powder to get both light and dark values into your drawing. And you'll learn how to use your eraser to make objects appear and to create highlights. This class is suitable not only for beginners, but also for anybody who may not have tried working with graphite powder. Now, graphite powder can be a little bit unpredictable, but it's very exciting. So, come with me on a journey of fun and learning. Are you ready? So, as I said in that trailer, I will take you step by step through the graphite drawing. You can tackle the little project at the end if you want to. You don't have to, it's not compulsory, but it does help to consolidate what you've learned in the class. Now there's a link to everything in the description below this video. I do hope I'll see you over on Skillshare. In the meantime, always remember my motto, everybody. There is an artist in everyone. Goodbye for now, and I hope to see you soon.